In our daily life, transportation is probably one of our main concerns. The e-scooter is designed to make your everyday transportation easier and more convenient. Is your home located some distance away from public transportation? Have you encountered running out of power while driving? The e-scooter is here to solve inconveniences like these.
Irmo. Irmo is a small, light and foldable electric vehicle. It is self-balancing, very easy to steer, and it's the perfect solution for your last mile in your city.
Self-balancing vehicles totally make sense. They are very easy to learn. You just stand on and most people just need 2 to 5 minutes to learn how to ride it.
And if you suddenly find yourself in front of some stairs, simply pick it up and carry it. And since it's so compact, you can take it on a train.
Nowadays, with the trend of urbanization, traffic in cities gets worse and worse. First part of your journey to the city with your car is rather quickly, but when you enter the city, it comes almost to a complete stop. This is where Irmo comes into play. You can take Irmo in the car with you. You will arrive at your destination much faster and of course happier.
Meet Subcruiser, a revolutionary jetpack that offers an underwater experience you never could have imagined before. It all starts with a wearable design, freeing up your hands and allowing you to explore the ocean autonomously. By fitting the 2 battery units and control box into an aerodynamic backpack, Subcruiser minimizes drag and maximizes your speed. By sealing the battery in an aluminum casing using the craftsmanship of underwater robotics design,
Introducing the world's lightest folding mobility scooter, the eFoldy Lite.
What we've developed here is a fully foldable electric motorized scooter called the M Scooter. The Acton M Scooter helps you cover that last mile. It's perfect for getting from the train to your house or from the bus to work. It's really easy to fold it up next to your desk or next to your couch. It fits pretty much anywhere.